I actually had doubts when I first come into this E Tū Whānau space, like especially now the position that I'm in. Like it was my dream to be in this space.
Why?
Because I could see myself having a voice in that space. From that first ranga, they were listening to what we said. And every time I reflect on that, it still happens today. I'm being heard, we're being heard, and I feel like with me taking this opportunity, I can be that for us rangatahi. I can be that voice for everyone, and I'm not afraid to take the hits, you know, because there are going to be people out there that will challenge us, especially because we're so young. But if they're going to challenge us, I say challenge us in the right way where we can grow from it. But that was my main reason, is because I can have a voice in this space and I can actually help in well-being. You know, it doesn't have to be like miri or kawa barns. It could be a simple thing like having a chat with your whānau or going away for a day, or, you know, the little things that matter. And that's actually very powerful for me. Yeah. But yeah, I feel that, yeah.